We're on the bike right now. We're on a video shoot. It's going good. People are looking at me weird, but it's all right. We got the GoPro mounted at the front of the bike right now. I have no idea what that's filming, but hopefully it looks cool. I'm just riding around having a good time. Coming up on the basketball court, so let's get some shots of that. I guess I should address why I've been gone for so long and what's going on. So at the beginning of the year, I set a goal for myself of getting 1,500 subscribers and uploading more. And I was going good for about 5 days. Wow, 5 days? You sure do think you're cool? Well, you know what? You're actually not. Then I just quit because, I didn't quit, I had to take a break because stuff like school was more important to me than YouTube stuff, but I want to come back and start making videos. I've realized I've said that multiple times, but now I'm in the position where I can. I have got a brand new camera. I got the Canon M50. I bought a brand new laptop. So, this is kind of my first vlog. Get out, like outside doing something. I'm on a bike ride right now, having a great time. You know, hopefully some of that B-roll looks good that I filmed. That dog. Whew, it's really windy. Yeah, well, you know what? Life isn't perfect, so stop complaining all the time and actually do something about it. But you may be thinking to yourself, Charlie, why would you delete all your videos? Those look really cool. Yeah, well, no one asks, so stop thinking you're cool when you're not. And to answer that question is, I got a lot of backlash on those videos. People like text me saying, oh, you're so stupid, oh, you think you're cool because you make little videos, and that just didn't make me feel good and lost my self-confidence. But I'm going to come back. I really apologize for Wendy. I'm not using my mic. I have the Rode video mic, you know what all the vloggers I guess use, like Casey Neistat. Expect more videos soon. I want to upload a video of my mom reacting to Tekashi 6ix9ine or something like that, because I think it would be really funny to watch. If you have video ideas like that, please drop them down in the comment section below. I'll be reading all the comments. And while you're there, you can scroll up and go into the description and follow me on my social medias. My Instagram is @Fikes. My Snapchat is just my name, Charlie Fikes. No spaces, no capitals. All these people are probably gonna look at me weird. Look at these. Woo! So as I'm editing this video, I realized that I never recorded an outro. So here's my outro. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Stay tuned for my next videos. Bye-bye.